Hello, and welcome to the Faculty Multimedia Center's Quick Start Guide to transferring media assets from storage cards. Most often, this will be done using SD cards, micro SD cards, and CF cards. The general process for recording and transferring your media assets is the same regardless of which type of card you use. So, let's walk through the process together. Depending on your computer or laptop, you may already have a built-in SD card slot. If you have one, it will typically only fit the average SD card size. If you don't already have an SD card slot, then you will want to use an SD card reader, which is designed to support multiple types of storage cards. The card readers will have either a USB-A or USB-C input. Some may even let you switch between the two. The port that you need depends on your computer's hardware. Plug the card reader into your computer using the USB-A or USB-C port. Once connected, place the SD card, micro SD card, or CF card into the appropriate slot. From there, the storage card will appear in either the Finder on a Mac or the File Explorer on a PC. Before you transfer the media, locate the location on your computer or other storage device that you want to transfer the assets to. Consider creating a new folder dedicated to the media you will be transferring. This will be referred to as the destination folder. Best practice is to name the folder location as accurate and relevant to the purpose of the media and related project as possible. After you determine the destination folder, open the SD card in the Finder or File Explorer. Select the assets that you want to transfer by using Command or Control-A or manually selecting the desired files. Have both the SD card window and the destination folder window open. Click and drag the selected files from the SD folder and into the destination folder. Another option would be to copy and paste. Once fully copied, safely eject the SD card from the computer. On a Mac, this can be done by selecting the arrow near the card name in the Finder window. On PC, locate the USB icon in the bottom menu bar. Select it and then click to eject the SD card name. After the SD card is safely ejected, you can unplug the card reader from the laptop or computer. For additional assistance, reach out to the Faculty Multimedia Center or visit us in Classroom Building 1, Room 202.